Hello everybody, how's it going? This is Alshehaby. Today in our Adobe Illustrator tutorial, we're gonna go through some basics in blend option. We will see how to create a blending color in letters and words. So let's start. Here's my artboard. Select the type tool and write something. I'm gonna go with the letter P from blending. Right click and choose create outlines. After choosing your color, go to effect, 3D, extrude and bevel. Then click preview option. Here we don't need a 3D, it's not our objective today, so put this down here to 0. Then from position, go to isometric right, then hit OK. Now go to object and expand appearance. Press on Alt and duplicate this shape. I'm gonna give it here a lighter color. Then make sure you send it to back. Now select both shapes and select the blend tool, or just press W from the keyboard and click and drag on the shape. Now double click on the blend tool to get the blending option. Check on preview. Go to specified steps and increase the number in here. Let's say 200. Now you got your blending shape ready. Now with the direct selection tool, you can select the back shape and move it anywhere to scale your blend as you wish. Or change its color to whatever color you want. Now let's try a different way of blending. I'm gonna create a small circle. Give it some gradient. Duplicate it multiple times. Select them all, go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, Specified Steps, and increase the value in here. Again to Object, Blend, then make Blend. Take a copy of it and resize it smaller just a little bit. Now go ahead and write something. This is here a compound shape, as there are some closed areas inside the letter. So even when we create outlines and ungroup it, and now we select both shapes and go to Object, Blend, you will find that Replace Spine option is inactive, and that's because we have to release the compound path first. Now even after releasing the compound path and selecting both shapes, the shape still looks very different. Now you have one of two options. Either you select a font with no compound path, any font that doesn't have any closed areas, like this one. Then create your outlines, ungroup it, then release the compound path. Now select both shapes, go to Object, Blend, then Replace Spine. If you feel that the object is too thick, just reduce the size of this shape here. If you see some parts that didn't blend well, just select the direct selection tool and select those parts and hit delete from the keyboard. Now it looks more smoother. Now you can select the shape and give it some drop shadow effect to give it some depth. If you chose to blend a font with a compound path, your best option is to draw the letter, either by brush tool if you have a steady hand, or just go with the pen tool, then apply your blending option on it. Blending option is one of my favorite tools in Adobe Illustrator. Unleash your limits and blend unlimited shapes together to get fancy shapes. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.